Huwag tayong utak talangka. Philippians 2 verses 3 and 4. Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourselves, not looking to your own interest, but each of you to the interest of the others. Crab mentality stems from selfishness and envy. Kapag ang isang tao ay umaangat, may ilan na hihilahin siya pababa sa halip na itulak pataas. But God calls us to be different, to celebrate others' success, not to resent it. God calls us to encourage, not to compete negatively. Huwag nating hayaan ang inggit at yabang na humadlang sa ating pagpapala. Sa halip na hilahin natin ang iba pababa, matuto tayong magsuportahan at magbigay inspirasyon. True greatness is found in humility and lifting others up. True greatness is not about stepping on others to rise, but lifting others as we climb. Hindi kailangang hilahin pababa ang iba para magtagumpay. Instead, let us practice humility and unity. Encourage, inspire, and help others succeed. Sa ganitong paraan, tunay tayong nagiging pagpapala sa isa't isa ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos.